Learning to draw can be overwhelming. Where do you start? What should you draw? And how should you draw it? How can you make your hand draw the shape that you're trying to create? These are all great questions, and in this class I'll answer all of them and more as I'll guide you through some simple steps to get you started with sketching anything. Hi, I'm Mel and I'm an illustrator, artist and a qualified teacher with over 15 years of experience in teaching others how to draw. I've worked with students who have started out absolutely terrified of the blank page and seen them blossom into illustrators, graphic designers, architects, fine artists and everything in between. Drawing is a skill which everyone can learn. This class is aimed at complete beginners, but if you've got a little drawing experience, you may find some of the exercises and tips give you some fresh perspectives. We will begin by warming up and exploring how the way we hold our pencil affects how we draw. Next, we'll practice drawing straight and curved lines, the foundations of every drawing, and I'll show you some techniques to help you achieve better results with those. Then we'll practice drawing some commonly used shapes which will act as building blocks when we come to draw from a reference, and I'll share some approaches to help you draw them with ease. We'll discuss the holy grail of drawing, observation, and we'll explore why it can be difficult for us to draw what is actually in front of us, and I'll show you some strategies to help you observe better and more objectively. Next, we will explore subject matter and we'll look at some good and bad examples with tips to help you choose subjects which will give you the best chance of creating successful drawings. Finally, we'll put all that theory and practice together by going through a step-by-step process of creating a sketch from start to finish. By the end of this class, you'll have a framework you can use to help you cut through the overwhelm and draw any subject within the class and beyond. So if that all sounds good, let's get started.